Hey guys, welcome to Max Algo. Just wanted to come on and have a little quick run through of New York price action this morning. Our pre-FOMC markets, we know they can be a little bit choppy and sometimes can be a little bit dangerous. But this morning, absolutely perfect, beautiful. One of the questions I always get asked is, especially with golden candles and our signals, is how do I know which ones to take? Well, do you know what? Today is a perfect example. Look at the price action. So just to give you an overview, an example here, we've got 9:30 open here this morning if you're in New York, and I'm going to put on our AlphaZones just so you can get an idea of exactly what we're looking for. So 9:30 open here, and we are below the daily. So we are bearish on the day. We little opportunity to try and push up, and it has not. It's failed to go above the daily, and we get our first golden candle of the session about 9:32, 9:33. Now, we know that New York at the start can be a little bit all over the place, but price action still follows. This is still going in the right direction based on your alpha zones. It comes below the hourly. This white one here is your hourly. You've got your 4 hour here, and when it closes right by the base of your 4 hour here, you can see you've got that perfect first entry, 9:32, straight down. No problem. No problem. Stop order. Even if you're playing until your candles change there, you're talking 30 points. It's a beautiful entry. You're well under. You're bearish on the hourly. You're bearish on the daily. You're bearish on the 4 hour. At that point, you'll be able to see all this information here over in your traffic light system here. Grabbing that first trade, no problem at all. Now, obviously, you've then got your bullish golden candle here. Now, are you looking for this? No. You're below everything. Everything's telling you you're bearish. You're below the hourly. You're below the 4 hour. Your RSI is bearish. Everything in your traffic lights here is going red, telling you, no, actually, I'm below the 50 RSI. I'm even below the 200 here. So these are all my warning signs that right now I'm in a bearish market, and that's what I'm looking to take. So don't be wrong, this plays out anyway. You know what I mean? This particular one, you still 28 points. There's still money in this, guys. There's still money. But right now we're looking for bearish price action, bearish golden candles. See, as price comes up, we get this beautiful doji candle here, a little bit of indecision, and then bang, golden candle again. Right under the trend wave, still under the 4 hour, still under the hourly. And what happens? We come shooting back down here, heading to London low. Failed to take it on the previous one. We've come back up. What are we expecting to happen? We're expecting to come down and take that, which is exactly what it does. Again, just running it to here, even if you're going out until that doji, that's 27 points again. It's absolutely brilliant. So we're looking then. We've taken this, what we would call an important level. London low is gone, and it's sweeped it. It's not closed below, it's just sweeped it. So what are we expecting to happen when we sweep an important level? We're expecting a little bit of indecision and maybe a bit of a pullback, and that is exactly what we get here. A little bit of time, still staying under, but our RSI is still under. We've got bearish volume on the RSIs, and we are very, very bearish. So we're not even looking at any bullish candles here in regards to the golden candles. We are looking at these. And again, bearish golden candle, giving yourself a little bit of room, and bang, yet again. Even if you'd got swept out on this one, now I would have given myself a little bit more room with this price action gone a little bit choppy here. I'd have either not taken that just because of the choppiness, or at least I'd have given myself a little bit of space because that move isn't sweeping anymore. But again, like I said, you're running down, it's 20 points there. It's 20 points. This is not rocket science, guys. This is really clear, really clear. Again, we're beautifully below the 50, below the 200. We've had a new 4 hour. We've come up and tested that 4 hour and come back down. And yet again, another golden candle to the downside. What do we see? Same thing. We are way under on the RSI on the 5 minute. We've come in under on the 1 minute. The bullish volume has started to weaken. I'm looking for that move. If that's going to close below this, the one line here, then I'm looking to get that move. and then bang, it goes again. And these are over and over again. So I don't know how your trading's been this morning. Mine's been great. I've had some lovely moves out of this. Missed the middle one, which I was a bit gutted about. But these three were absolutely perfect, exactly what I was looking for. Obviously, you'll be looking at the chart. If you don't usually watch us and say, what are those golden candles? Well, those golden candles are AlphaZones and the golden candles. So you can have a look over there. These teaches you with the zones exactly how to trade these zones, how to trade the candles within it. If you want to have a little look, you can go and have a look on there on AlphaZones over on our what page there. It'll give you all the overview, give you the playbooks, exactly how to trade them, exactly what you're looking for, exactly what to stay out of, just as importantly. And if you use code FLASH right now, you can actually get 15% off, which is 15% off lifetime access to all those indicators that allow you to trade AlphaZones and golden candle in this way. I hope you enjoyed